Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to connect an Xfinity cable box to TV and Wi-Fi, activation, apps, and full setup guide. Step 1. Physical connections. Connect one end of your HDMI cable to the HDMI output on your back of your Xfinity box and the other end to an available HDMI port on your TV. Then, depending on your specific model, connect the coaxial cable from the wall outlet to the cable input on your box and tighten it until it's finger tight. Note, if you are using a wireless X1 box, you don't need a coaxial cable. Then plug the power cord into the back of your Xfinity box and plug the other end into a wall outlet. Step 2. TV input setup. Turn on your TV and your Xfinity box, then using your original TV remote, press the input or source button and then select the HDMI port that your cable box is plugged into. For example, HDMI 1 or HDMI 2, and you should see the Xfinity welcome screen on your TV. Step 3. Wi-Fi and activation. The easiest way to activate your equipment is using your smartphone. First, by using the app. Download and open the Xfinity app on your smartphone. Then sign in using your Xfinity ID and password. Then follow the on-screen instructions, which will often prompt you to scan the QR code displayed on your TV screen to complete activation. Next, using the TV screen. If you don't use the app, follow the on-screen prompts and you may be asked to enter the last four digits of the phone number associated with your account. For Wi-Fi connection, if prompted during setup, select your home Wi-Fi network from the list and enter your Wi-Fi password. Step 4. Remote control pairing. Once the box is activated, your TV screen will prompt you to pair your Xfinity voice remote. Remove the plastic tab on the back of the remote to activate the batteries. Then follow the on-screen instructions and the remote will automatically detect your TV's brand to pair power and volume controls. Step 5. Accessing apps and features. Press the Xfinity button, which is the blue button on your remote, to pull up the main menu. In the main menu, navigate to apps or saved sections to access platforms like Netflix, Prime Video, Peacock, and your DVR recordings. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.